Hi, my name is Jaakko Roderus and I am a fire officer at Kainuun Pelastuslaitos, the regional rescue department of the Kainuun province, Finland. We cover an area of 22,000 square kilometers with only 75,000 inhabitants. Our main duties are to prevent fires and other accidents, to carry out rescue operation in the event of an accident, to carry out civil defense work under emergency conditions and maintain readiness for these duties. In Finland, rescue services use Finland's national authority radio network based on TETRA standard. It is called Virve. Each rescue unit has at least one Virve device, often more. The device is an important tool for communication between operatives. It acts as a communication tool and it is main part of our information system PEKE. Virve also includes GPS. PEKE is a rescue operation information system. Executive fire officer can control and lead the rescue units on the accident scene. Based on an emergency notification, emergency response center will locate the accident and rescue units seize that point on the map. At the accident scene, rescue units can draw a situation picture with the system. Virve devices send GPS location to the system and allow tracking of field operatives. In every fire station we have fire trucks, water carriers, ATVs and snowmobiles. Fire trucks and water carriers are intended for daily tasks and trucks are fully equipped. ATVs and snowmobiles are intended for tasks that are, for example, in forests. In some fire stations we have also ladder units, rescue ships, rescue boats, diving unit, hydrocopters and a lot of different equipment. We use ladder unit for reach high places like apartment buildings, balconies or roof. Rescue ships, boats and diving unit are intended for accidents that happened in waters. We also have mines and factories, so we need to be prepared for accidents that involve hazardous substances. The location of the equipment at the fire station is based on a risk assessment. Kainuun Pelastuslaitos must be prepared for various accidents. Kainuun has challenging weather conditions. In summer, air temperature can reach 35 degrees Celsius and in winter, air temperature can reach minus 35 degrees Celsius. In Kainuun, we have big lake called Oulujärvi and lots of smaller lakes and also rivers. People move a lot in the waters throughout the year, so we have to be ready to help them too, if needed. There are many wooden buildings in Finland. Even some apartment buildings are built of wood. It doesn't mean that those buildings are unsafe, but in case of fire, we must consider different things than, for example, in concrete building. In Kainuun we have 12 fire stations, but still distance to the accident scene could be over an hour. If some rescue units are near the accident site, reinforcements are still a long way off the scene. The current state is that the rescue units only have the information that the emergency response center gives them about the accident. This information is based on an automatic fire alarm system or an emergency call. The technologies that will be developed during the FASTER project will make operations safer, easier and faster because we have exact information right after the alarm. With that tool, executive fire officer can provide the rescue units with information such as the easiest entry routes, standpipes and smoke ventilations before they arrive at the scene. Based on sensors inside the building, we can see live footage if there is any people inside and where the exact accident is in the building. In cases when we are not able to go inside, we could, for example, use some of the technologies such as robots, 3D maps and the drones to assess the situation. Kainuun's rescue services and partners work to create safe and efficient first response practices for Europe.